hope guys don't mind the stain over here. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, hello, hi Standwa. If you're returning Savi, hello, hi Sam, and welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to look at the camera, Kisana. I'm so sorry for like starting live vlog, like saying installing and everything. I'm already dressed, I've installed like my weave, like I'm ready to leave. And as my cousins are coming over, and we're going to go out for, is it late lunch or dinner? I don't know, because Fiki, we're waiting for them, and the time is like around 2 or 3. So yeah, as you can see by the title of the video, this is us spending the the rest of the day with me. Yeah, but so yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you know the vibes. But anyways, yeah, and as gonna say, you guys, I don't know where we're going, but I'm definitely going to update you, maybe when I'm in the car or when I get to like where we're going. Yeah.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me. You know the type, you know the guy. As soon as you...
Hey guys, it's a new day. It's a brand new day. It's a very beautiful day to be alive, as Uzizi Monogo would say. Yeah. Also, on my previous vlog, on my first video, I got in a constructive criticism, and I am very grateful for abantu who like pointed out izinto that I need to fix, and one of them was voice. They said ndithethela phansi, so hopefully you can hear me ngoku. Like, I can't speak any louder, but I'm gonna try to like be audible. So today I'm going out with my friends. We're going to the beach. It's a beach day, and weather yalapha, guys, is not promising. Okay, like weather I say East London, kushushu, kuyabanda, kuyanetha, literally in one day. Like, so but we're going to the beach, whether it is raining or not. I haven't bathed yet. Like, I literally haven't done anything. I still have to clean, then bath, do my hair, and yeah. So I'm not sure, like, I'll probably see you guys when I am done with everything. So yeah, also if you like watch this video, what also figure out and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do subscribe and comment, guys. Yeah, bye. Okay, Sana, I am done cleaning. I haven't bathed yet, guys. I just changed. Like, I'm wearing my cleaning dress, so yeah. I just finished cleaning. I'm gonna go bath and then deal with this. Guys, like, I don't know what I am going to wear. I don't know, because but guys, I'll talk to you when I'm doing my hair now. Yeah.
You know the type, you know the guy. As soon as you're close to erase all the lies, get him out your mind. That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign. You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine. Like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough words to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. You know. I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass and got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out.
tried to let you go. Memories, they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to be holding on to you.
Okay guys, I am back now. I'm gonna do like a grocery haul. I am tired guys. I am exhausted. Like I am literally dog tired at this point. So I'm gonna do a grocery haul. I went to Spar. And Pick n Pay. So at Pick n Pay I got but I got lettuce, got water, stay hydrated. Oh, also I went to the chemist, so I got my meds. Got 2 of these at still like a Pick n Pay. Got 2 of these, and I also got some feta cheese. Guys, the feta cheese is something that it's hanging by a thread. And then at Spar, got these chips. Guys, said this listening and judge. Got some tomatoes, and is it tomatoes or tomatoes? I don't know. And I got this red onion. That is my haul, Kisana. Guys, I think I'm gonna close off this vlog. No, I'm not closing off the vlog, but I'll see you soon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe on Saturday. I don't know. Bye.
Because you don't seem to know
I want to go get like a few things. As quite important and don't do it for money, but yeah, I'm just gonna go get a few things, and then yeah, I think this is the last day of my vlog. Yeah, let's go to the mall.
Lord only knows what it took to making you, like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind, and it seems like every day.
I've just started a hair business. You can follow my business page at herstyle_by_Londle on Instagram. Your support will be highly, highly, highly appreciated. You can contact me on the number on the screen. Hey guys, I am back from the mall. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Yeah, see you on my next video.